In this video, I will show you how to automate tasks with Google Workspace add-ons. If this guide helps, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. What's up guys, my name is Kyle from GuideWise. You can open any Google app. I have Google Sheets open. If you have completed your sheet, you can then go to Extensions, Add-ons and Get Add-ons. There are different add-ons you can get, but for this video, we are going to choose FormMule, which is an email merge utility. I already have it installed, but if you do not, you would simply click it, and on the right, it would say Install. Click that again. So once your form is complete and you would like to merge it, go back to Extensions, FormMule, Email Merge Utility, and then select Launch. You can then select the sheet. So I only have one sheet, so it'll be sheet 1. You can then select form trigger or time trigger. So we are going to use time trigger. We are going to select specific date and time. The date will be the 25th of December, 2025, and the time will be 10 a.m. Update time trigger. You can then choose specific date and time. Type in your date and your time and then select Update Time Trigger. Once your Update Time Trigger has completed, select Next Templates and Send Conditions. You can select different templates, but I am going to use the current one. So Save Template Settings and then go to Edit Templates. You can then select who this email will be sent to. So I am going to select all the emails in my sheet. You can add a subject, Happy Holidays, and then you can add a body, Merry Christmas, everyone. May it be a joyful time. Once you have completed that, select Save and Send All. You can then preview and send. I will then tap Send Now. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.